2025 has been an exciting year for drone enthusiasts, and DJI has just shaken up the game once again with the brand new DJI Mini 5 Pro. The Mini series has always been about portability, accessibility, and professional quality features packed into a sub-250-gram drone, and this latest model takes things to the next level. The biggest surprise? The price. While many expected a major price jump with all the upgrades like a new 1-inch 6K camera, longer 42-minute flight time, improved obstacle avoidance, and smarter AI tracking, DJI has kept the price increase much smaller than anyone imagined. In this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about the Mini 5 Pro, from its design and performance to the camera upgrades, flight features, and most importantly, whether its pricing strategy makes it the best value drone of 2025. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. So, before you decide whether to buy it or not, let's dive into the details. The drone market in 2025 has reached a fascinating turning point, with every new release carrying huge expectations from creators, professionals, and hobbyists alike. Few companies hold as much weight in this space as DJI, the undisputed leader in consumer drones. Over the years, DJI has built a reputation for balancing innovation with accessibility, consistently pushing the boundaries of what compact flying machines can do while keeping them within reach of everyday creators. Among its most beloved lines is the Mini series, a family of sub-250-gram drones that has transformed the landscape of portable aerial photography. The DJI Mini 5 Pro, the newest addition to this iconic series, is now finally here, and while its features have generated plenty of excitement, what has surprised many people most is the price. Early rumors suggested a significant hike, possibly pushing the drone into a premium bracket that might alienate its core audience. However, the official pricing has now been revealed, and it is far more modest than expected, keeping the Mini 5 Pro accessible while still delivering professional-grade upgrades that elevate it far beyond its predecessor. To appreciate what the Mini 5 Pro means for the drone industry, it helps to look back at the legacy of the Mini series. When DJI first introduced the original Mavic Mini in 2019, it was revolutionary. At just 249 grams, it bypassed many aviation regulations around the world while still offering stabilized 2.7K video and GPS flight modes in a form factor small enough to fit into a jacket pocket. That first release democratized drone ownership in a way that had never been done before. The Mini 2 refined this formula by adding 4K video capture and improved connectivity. Then came the Mini 3 Pro, which was a true game-changer, offering a redesigned gimbal for vertical shooting, obstacle avoidance sensors, and a camera capable of capturing professional quality footage. It marked the point where the Mini series stopped being entry-level and became a legitimate tool for filmmakers and creators. The Mini 4 Pro built upon that foundation with even more advanced sensors, extended flight time, and better low-light performance, cementing the Mini line as one of DJI's most important product families. Now, with the Mini 5 Pro, DJI has taken everything it learned from the past and introduced refinements that make it the most advanced compact drone to date. While enthusiasts were bracing for a much steeper cost due to the sheer volume of upgrades, DJI's decision to keep the price increase smaller than expected is a bold move.